The 2007 Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, anti-lock braking system, heated seats, stability control, traction control, airbags, power steering, driver airbag, alloy wheels, front air conditioning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.